The average age of service trucks in the industry is typically between 5 and 8 years. There are several reasons for this. Firstly, service trucks need to be reliable and well maintained because they are used for customer visits. Secondly, they often represent the company's image, projecting professionalism and trustworthiness. Thirdly, service trucks may carry expensive tools and equipment, requiring a secure and dependable vehicle. The average age of construction trucks, on the other hand, tends to be slightly higher, ranging from 7 to 10 years. This difference is due to several factors. Firstly, construction trucks are subjected to heavier use and wear and tear on construction sites. Secondly, they may carry heavy materials and equipment, putting more strain on the vehicle. Thirdly, construction trucks typically depreciate faster than service trucks due to their more demanding usage. However, the actual age of trucks in a contractor's fleet can vary significantly depending on several factors. One key factor is company size. Larger companies often tend to have newer trucks, as they have the financial resources to invest in newer vehicles and may prioritize a modern fleet for image and reliability purposes. Another factor is the industry segment. Different construction segments may have different truck requirements and ages. For example, a contractor specializing in residential construction may have different truck needs than a contractor working on large-scale commercial projects. The financial situation of the company also plays a significant role. Companies with strong finances may be more likely to replace trucks earlier, taking advantage of newer technology, improve fuel efficiency, and reduce maintenance costs. The brand and model of the truck can also influence its lifespan. Certain truck brands and models are known for their durability and longevity, potentially allowing them to remain in service for a longer period. Maintenance practices are crucial in extending the life of trucks. Regular maintenance, including timely oil changes, fluid checks, and repairs, can significantly improve a truck's reliability and lifespan. Given the information provided, your trucks, averaging 10 years old, are slightly older than the industry average for construction trucks. However, this does not necessarily mean they need to be replaced immediately. If they are in good condition and properly maintained, they may still be reliable and efficient for your operations. When making a decision about replacing your trucks, it's essential to consider several factors. Maintenance costs are a primary concern. Older trucks typically require more frequent and expensive repairs, which can significantly impact your operating expenses. It is important to weigh the cost of repairs against the potential benefits of replacing the truck with a newer model that requires less maintenance. Safety concerns should also be addressed. Older trucks may have outdated safety features which could increase the risk of accidents and injuries. Newer trucks are often equipped with advanced safety technologies such as anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, and collision avoidance systems, which can help to protect your drivers and reduce liability. The image your company projects is another factor to consider. Newer trucks can enhance your company's professional image, conveying a sense of success, reliability, and modernity to your clients and the public. This can be particularly important when competing for new business or maintaining a positive reputation in the industry. Fuel efficiency is also a key factor in determining the cost-effectiveness of your truck fleet. Newer trucks may be more fuel efficient than older models, resulting in significant savings on fuel costs over the lifespan of the vehicle. This can not only reduce your operating expenses but also contribute to a more sustainable business. Finally, consider the resale value of your trucks. Older trucks will typically have a lower resale value than newer models, so replacing them sooner rather than later may allow you to recoup a larger portion of your initial investment. To make an informed decision about replacing your trucks, it is recommended that you conduct a thorough analysis of your current fleet. This analysis should include an assessment of the maintenance costs, safety features, fuel efficiency, and resale value of each truck. You should also consider the specific needs of your business and the demands of your construction projects. By carefully weighing all of these factors, you can determine the optimal time to replace your trucks and ensure that your fleet remains reliable, efficient, and cost-effective.